this time we are going to learn about the breaking color. So do I break the color? No. We are breaking the color by the value. So what do I mean the value? Okay, so choose the pencil crayon, okay, and choose the color you like, and that's do my first practice. So that I choose a sky blue. Okay, this is my first color. So for the first box, I have to color it very heavy, very dark, and I have a lot of pressures on my pencil. So keep the color very rich and dark. Okay? In the second box, I'm going to reduce the pressure from my pencil. So I color more gently. So you see the color looks brighter than the first one I made, right? And the last one, I'm going to make the color even brighter. So which means I have to reduce even more pressures from my pencil crayon. So see, I color this very light, very gentle. You barely to see it. Then I have one pencil crayon, but I can create 1, 2, 3 different colors. So that's do the practice number 2. So you can choose another color. This time I use the green. So the green color will be the color for my practice number 2. So what color you gonna pick for your number 2 practice? Okay, so the same. From the first box to the 5th box, we have to go dark to light. Okay, so let's do it together. So we have to make the first box super dark, color is super heavy. Okay, you almost like you're shaking the table, so how hard we are shaking. Okay, then we just reduce a little bit pressures, just a little bit. It still looks dark, but not that dark as the first one. Okay, then I reduce even more, like the medium pressure. Even more on my 4th one. And the last one has to be super light. You barely to see it, but we still see something there. Okay, so we got dark color to light color by using one pencil crayon. And that is the final result you should do on your joint.